SERVPRO of Southwest Las Vegas understands the stress and worry that comes with a fire or water damage, and the disruption it causes your life and home or business. Our goal is to help minimize the interruption to your life and quickly make it like it never even happened.
SERVPRO specializes in the cleanup and restoration of residential and commercial property after a fire, smoke, or water damage, and can also mitigate mold and mildew.
Our staff is highly trained in property damage restoration, from initial and ongoing training at SERVPRO's corporate training facility to regular IICRC industry certification.
Rest assured, our staff is equipped with the knowledge to restore your property. With a nationwide system of qualified franchises, no damage is too large or too small for SERVPRO of Southwest Las Vegas. SERVPRO provides 24-hour emergency service. Our highly trained technicians can respond immediately to your residential or commercial emergency.
SERVPRO of Southwest Las Vegas is locally owned and operated, so we are part of the community too. When you are having a cleaning or restoration need, we're already nearby and ready to help.
We take pride in being a part of the Las Vegas community and want to do our part in making it the best it can be.